Hello guys, this is Subhasree. I welcome you to this channel and to this video. We Indians wait for these months throughout the year to celebrate our greatest festivals back to back. Navratri have started and come down for Durga Puja have also started. So it's time for some easy festival DIYs. So I have tried some mirror art or Lippan art on earthen plates and on a canvas. In today's video, I'm gonna share those wall decor items with you all. For today's craft, I have used a 6 by 8 inch canvas which I bought from Amazon, oil color, acrylic color, white, blue, yellow, orange, white outliner, Bristow's black DIY acrylic marker pen, crafting mirrors, air dry clay, gesso and Fevicol. I have also used an old wedding invitation card and an earthen plate. I have bought a set of crafting mirrors from an Amazon seller named as Omni Crafts. This is a set of 10 packets of mirrors of different shapes and sizes. There are 100 pieces in this small packet, so there are 1000 mirrors that I have got in total. I'll try to drop down the Amazon link of this product in the description box below so that you can check it from there. Now on these earthen plates, I have first applied gesso on the plates and then colored it with bright yellow. Then I have bordered it with blue color, and I have used a simple marker to draw out these figures, the Warli Art figures, which are very easy to do. And I have used Fevicol to glue the mirrors like this. It is pretty simple to do and it's very relaxing and refreshing DIY activity. So that's how I'm done with decorating the earthen plates with mirror. Now let me show you how I did this beautiful wall hanging with Goddess Durga's face on it. Lippan Art, which originates from Gujarat, actually uses a lot of clay or mud and incorporates mirror in it in such a way that it forms an aesthetic art piece. But this is my first try on Lippan Art and I tried to keep it as simple and easy as possible, and therefore I have not used a lot of clay. I have used very small portion of clay to make borders, and see how nice it has come up. So let me quickly run you through the making of this wall hanging. how my festival wall decors are ready. So let me know your comments about these in the comment section below. And if you like this, then please like the video and share it with your friends. So that's all for today. I'll come back next with another set of home decor, DIY and home furnishing items. Thank you for watching this, and bye bye.